Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best guitar repair kit is probably one of the most essential investments for any guitarist, whether you're a seasoned professional constantly on tour or a bedroom hobbyist who loves tinkering with your axe. This kit will empower you to handle most of your guitar maintenance and minor repairs, saving you money on expensive repair shop visits and ensuring your instrument always sounds and plays its best. This comprehensive review will cover everything you need to know to choose the perfect kit for your needs and skill level. Number 5. Ernie Ball Musician's Tool Kit. This all-in-one kit has everything you need to keep your instrument in top condition. It's the ultimate convenience for any musician. Changing strings can be a hassle, but not with this kit. It provides all the necessary tools for a quick and easy string change. This kit isn't just for string changes, it also includes tools for essential instrument setups. Keep your instrument playing its best. It's compact and comes in a handy carrying case, so you can take it anywhere. Always be prepared to maintain your instrument. This kit is a must-have for any musician who wants to keep their instrument in perfect playing condition. It simplifies maintenance and keeps everything organized. With this kit, you'll always be ready to maintain your instrument. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. It has everything you need for basic guitar maintenance in one compact case. If you're a beginner or need a convenient kit for quick repairs on the go, this is a great option. It's perfect for string changes and basic setups, making it ideal for those who want a simple, portable solution. What people say. It helps me to do all the work needed on my guitar. It's a great kit, it has everything you need to restring your guitar. The variety of Allen wrenches is great since different guitars have slightly different sizes for truss rods and saddles. The string winder is also a nifty tool to have when changing strings. Number 4. Micling 72 PCS Guitar Tool Kit. This kit has everything you need for basic guitar maintenance and repairs. It's perfect for keeping your instrument in top condition. From string changes to intonation adjustments, it handles most common tasks. You'll find all the essential tools conveniently organized. It's suitable for electric guitars, basses, ukuleles, and more. This versatile kit is a must-have for any stringed instrument player. The tools come in a handy storage bag, keeping everything neatly organized and protected. No more lost or misplaced parts. This comprehensive kit makes a thoughtful gift for guitarists of all skill levels. It's also backed by our 12-month warranty and friendly customer service. What we like. This kit is packed with tools for almost any guitar repair or adjustment. If you're looking for a comprehensive set with a wide variety of tools for various stringed instruments, this kit offers incredible value. It's perfect for those who want to tackle a wide range of repairs and maintenance tasks. What people say. The kit contains all the essential components needed to properly set up a guitar, bass, ukulele. These well-made tools allow me to do a detailed fix on my instruments. This kit contains everything plus to repair just about anything on an electric or acoustic guitar. Number 3. SOUJOY Guitar Luthier Tool Set. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for guitar maintenance and repair. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced players. The ergonomic rubber hammer provides comfort and control when working on your frets. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability. This high-quality aluminum alloy beam, with its assorted sandpaper, makes fret leveling easy and precise. Say goodbye to buzzing frets. The stainless steel fret rocker accurately detects uneven frets, ensuring a perfectly level playing surface. It's built to last. The set also includes string spreaders, fingerboard guards, and a convenient storage bag. Everything is neatly organized for easy access. It's not just for guitars. This versatile set works on a variety of stringed instruments, including ukuleles and basses. Give the gift of perfect guitar maintenance. This set is ideal for guitarists, bassists, and luthiers of all skill levels. What we like. This specialized set focuses on fretwork, offering tools for leveling, crowning, and other precise adjustments. If you're a serious player or luthier focused on fret maintenance, this kit provides the precision tools you need for professional level results. It's perfect for those who want to achieve a high level of accuracy in their fretwork. What people say. The mallet works as intended. It is non-marring, and actually has a decent weight and balance to it. I checked that the fret rocker edges were true before use and was happy with the accuracy. This kit has everything to level and dress frets. The bar is straight and the file works too, but only on narrow frets. These tools are good value for performing fret work on a budget. The leveling block works great, bonus getting extra sanding strips. The rubber-ended hammer is good for tapping frets into place. Fret rocker to check if frets are level is good. The fret crowning file works good, and the include fretboard protectors are a bonus as well. Number 2. 72 PCS Guitar Tool Kit. This kit is a steal. It has everything you need for guitar maintenance and repair, saving you money on multiple tool purchases. It's your all-in-one solution for quick setups, string changes, and adjustments. You can easily maintain your instrument yourself. Whether it's a guitar, bass, banjo, or ukulele, this kit has you covered. It's perfect for various string instruments. The included bag keeps everything organized and secure. Its compact design makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. Give the gift of easy guitar maintenance to a fellow music lover. What we like. This kit provides a wide array of tools for various guitar maintenance and repair tasks. If you need a versatile kit for a variety of repairs and adjustments, this is a great choice. It's suitable for both beginners and experienced players who want a well-rounded collection of tools. What people say. Everything you need to work on your guitar, and some you don't. Only other I would suggest is a bench rest, would recommend. This kit has just about anything you'd need to do a guitar or bass setup. All you'll need is a tuner or tuning fork. The one thing missing from the kit are instructions on how to use many of the tools, so for various guitar setup settings, string height, intonation, pickup height, etc. You'll have to rely on YouTube or other sources. This has most of what you need to set up your guitar yourself. Watch a few YouTube videos, get this and a couple other items, and you can save a bundle on maintaining your own guitars. Number 1. Dura-Gold Luthier Acoustic Guitar Sanding Set. This comprehensive set has everything you need for precise sanding. It's perfect for intricate work on guitars and other projects. With 6 uniquely shaped blocks, you can tackle any curve or surface. Sanding convex, concave, and radius shapes has never been easier. The set includes 40 sheets of sandpaper in 8 different grits. This ensures you have the right grit for every stage of your project. They're made with durable polyurethane foam and superior sandpaper. This means a smooth, even finish every time. It's great for woodworking, automotive refinishing, and more. The versatile shapes make it ideal for a wide range of applications. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, even during long projects. Get the job done efficiently and without strain. Dura-Gold provides high-quality tools for professionals. Save time and money with these exceptional sanding tools. What we like. This specialized kit offers a unique selection of sanding blocks for intricate work on guitars. If you're a luthier or serious woodworker needing precision sanding for complex curves and contours, this kit is unmatched. It's perfect for achieving a high-quality finish on various wood surfaces and guitar parts. What people say. These are excellent, a great assortment of shapes aimed at guitar builders. Very convenient when you like to have standardized blocks for your crew with everyone using similar tools start to finish of a complex 3D product. Excellent for uniform sanding of contoured edges, especially on smaller projects. The hook and loop design is super convenient. Multiple grits is a plus, too. Where were these things all my life? I have done so many projects in the past that would have benefited from the use of these sanding partners. It has cut my sanding time and efforts at least in half. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.